Morning or good afternoon guys na pala. So we're here in Calama now and siguro mag-overnight kami dito kasi bukas ang flight naman papuntang Asuncion. So for today siguro mag-ikot-ikot kami, then mag-lunch and yeah, we'll just discover the city.
Ay, ang laki eh.
Ha?
Malaki siya.
Of course. Ganda.
Ay, wait. Ito lang?
No, meron dun. Isang kwarto dun.
Saan?
Ay,
Ito lang.
no. May dalawang
Doon
key.
oh.
May dalang isang key.
Saan?
Dito. Ito. This one.
Ah, okay.
So, dito tayo, Char.
Hindi, ate, doon tayo sa malaki.
Malaki naman to.
So guys, we're here in Calama, Chile. Tapos medyo sarado lahat kasi it's a Sunday. So, naghahanap na lang kami kung anong pwede namin i-explore. Pero kumain na rin kami ng Chinese food. So that's it. Good evening. It's rainy day here in Paraguay. And yeah, kararating lang namin from Calama. So, baka magkapalit muna kami. And then we're just gonna go straight to the hotel kasi it's already like 6:30, magsi 7 o'clock na. Morning! It's our day 2 here in Paraguay, in Asuncion. Hinihintay namin yung aming guide kasi may walking tour kami. So, we're on our way dun sa Panteon Nacional. Nandito na kami sa meeting place pero wala pa yung guide namin.
That statue of the person you see over there, that's the dictator, Francia. So he passed away in 1840, but before he died, higher than him. So, you know, it's very difficult to explain exactly what happened during the war. So I'm just going to explain his image, which hopefully you have an understanding why the war actually happened. But let me start with the positive image first, because this man you see over here is considered the only leader in South American history to have been killed in the battlefield, and I do mean that. He was killed the 1st of March of 1870 in what we call the Cerro Colorado, and his last words were, "I will or form a country," because he believed that after his death, Paraguay would have disappeared, which, by the way, that almost happened. So taking into account that he fought and he died defending the country, this is where the positive image comes in. He is seen as a national hero, you know? Also, people don't blame him for the war because the war was bound to happen. And to be fair, I do kind of agree. Argentina believed that we were a province of them, you know. And Brazil, that was no ordinary Brazil. That was the empire of Brazil. That was a Brazil that fought in 6 wars, and those 6 wars they won. So essentially the most powerful country in South America, as well as in the world. And they also wanted to invade Paraguay. So yeah. This is the bad thing about Paraguay. We're in the middle of 2 massive countries, by the way, right? And so yeah, that's the positive image we have. Is there a negative image? Of course there is. I want you guys to look at this man's attire and try to tell me, who does he remind you of?
Napoleon?
That was fast. Yes, Napoleon. Mariscal Lopez used to live in Paris. And he loved Paris, by the way. In Paris, not only did he meet his last lover, a woman called Elisa Alicia Lynch, or as we know her here as Madame Lynch. This is where her story comes in. And to clarify, Madame Lynch wasn't Paraguayan, neither was she French. She was Irish. And I'll say it again, I highly recommend it. It's one of the water cultures of the world. Original one, there was like 4 different flags until this is the one that they decided to be with. But it was, like I said, inspired by the French, for example, red, white, and blue, as you can see. So yeah, we do have the flag day. Let's see how it was in the past, so we can all sit down and I'll talk about typical foods here. Also, a lot of aceite is
Oil.
So it's very heavy on calories. So this is one type of food that we have. It's called chipagua soup. It's called sopa paraguaya. It's Paraguayan soup. However, it's not a soup. It's solid. It has the same ingredients as the other one. The main difference being that this one is much more denser. Like denser compared to the other one. For example.
Is that like a biscuit?
No. It's like a side dish. I don't know what you call it. Like you eat this with something else, you know. Then we have what's called beiju. Beiju is like a little white cake, like this. I think this one is similar to like you told me about the arepas. Not the same. It's like the style of it at least. It's white. It's like a white cake which has cheese and it has starch. Starch made out of what? Tapioca. The cassava, tapioca, all those things, right? So
Fish as well.
Amiga, pollo marinera.
Marinera pollo. ¿Con qué? Con ensalada de... How you prepare to the hot
Picturean mo ko dahil. Picturean mo kami.
yung Michelin.
I know. I don't want Michelin.
Michelin, you can...
Guys, another day here in Asuncion. I think day 3 na kami. So magtutour lang kami, visit the outskirts, iba-ibang cities. Set up na sila para sa kanilang mate tea. Plaza. First stop namin guys dito sa Ita. Ita means stones sa Guarani. So mag-bathroom, siguro bumili ng souvenirs and all that. Town of Ita. Here. So guys, we're here in Pirayu, yung isang town dito sa Paraguay. Tapos ito yung dating train station. Non-operational na siya. Ayan yung train. Ito, Pirayu. Tour guide namin. Tapos sina Ate Mina at Naki kumukuha ng mangga kasi masyadong maraming mangga dito. We're here in San Bernardino in Paraguay. The lake. And dito yung football daw. Hello guys, I'm here and still in Asuncion. So day 4 I think here. So yung Asuncion guys, hindi lang yung old town. Yung nakikita nating Asuncion na old town, hindi lang yun pala. Kasi meron din silang new town at napaka-modern niya. Medyo nung dinaanan ko yung mga kalye nila, ang lalaki ng mga ang lalaki ng mga bahay nila. So I'm here right now, shopping day lang ako dito sa Old Town. Napapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Asuncion. Meron silang L'Occitane, may Aldo, may Starbucks din sila. Guys, ang laki ng mall nila. Ang tawag dito Del Sol. Ito ay isa lang sa dalawa sa pinakamalaking malls dito sa Asuncion. Guys, meron din silang game center. Pero ako hinahanap ko muna yung restroom. And guys, meron din silang mga restaurant. Chinese restaurants, Pizza Hut, KFC. Mostly mga Americans sa restaurants. So guys, ito yung Del Sol. Ayan. So guys, ito yung Del Sol. Ayan. And this is Calle de España. Kapag binaybay nyo yan, bale, marami pang mga malls dito. So, puntahan na lang natin.